Good day, good day, good day, good day. So I'm at the bus stop. This is my journey to Carrick on Shannon, starting now. So what actually funny thing happened is that I'm at the bus stop and I'm supposed to take the bus from to Dublin Airport, and then from Dublin Airport to Carrick on Shannon, yeah. And what happened, I'm waiting for the bus. The bus came in late, about 15 minutes or so. I'm getting into the bus, you know, and I want to pay for the ticket with the card, okay? And he's like, no, cash only. I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, cash only, you know. Oh, you don't have a cash? Okay, you cannot ride for free, so you have to go to the town, get cash, come back and wait for another bus. So the thing is, that's what I did. Actually, what else to do? So I went to ATM, got the money, I'm back here, and I'm waiting for another bus. And while I'm waiting, I'm trying to stop some cars because it's Corona. Everyone is so scared, so nobody is actually stopping for me. So wish me luck. I will let you know how this worked. Hello. So finally I'm on the bus to Carrick and Shannon. Nobody stopped me. It was the worst hitchhike ever, you know. People are really scared, you know. They're all in fear of this Lithuania thing, and yeah. So finally, I'm on the bus. Instead, I'm supposed to be in Carrick. Instead, arriving into Carrick at 2 o'clock. I will be arriving at 5 o'clock. I got a bit cold because I'm not used to this cold. Look at this Dublin. And yeah, so keep watching this video. Good day all. So I'm in Carrick on Shannon, and yeah, this is like my hometown in Ireland. When I moved in Ireland at the end of 2005, that's where I came first because my dad was here. And yeah, I lived here up to 2013, I think so, for like 8 years, and then I moved to Dublin, and I was living in Dublin for 3 or 4 years or something. It's a nice little town. It has, like, as you see, a Shannon River, which is the big river, you know, the biggest river probably in Ireland. It has these ships where you can rent it. It's a lot of German and other people, of course, coming during the summer, and they're renting the ships, and they just sailing away, you know. So yeah, it's a nice little town. It has changed a lot. It has cool few parks now, you know. It has so many pubs, and it's very popular now at the moment with all the hens and stags. So all the people from all over the Ireland comes to Carrick on Shannon for hens and stars parties. There is a few nightclubs, a lot of pubs, really good restaurants and hotels, and yeah, and there's this activity park like only 14 kilometers away, where it is you can, I think, rent a boat. There is some trips, you can rent a segways, you can rent a bikes, as well there's a zip line. So yeah, it's a lot of to do. As well, we do have in here Moon River, which I will do a little shot bit later on, where it's like a little boat tour where you can have it on like it's a disco boat or something. So it's cool. I've been there a long time ago. So it's cool little town. So I'm just gonna show you probably a few short like snapshots of it, and yeah, I really feel good in here. I like it. I know the places, and yeah, it was my home for 8 years. So keep watching in this video. This is Coffee Space 3 coffee shop. It's really cool coffee shop here. You must visit it. Oarsman's bar. Top class food and fine wines you can find here really nice restaurant. So Carrick Brewery, so it's a Leitrim in Ireland. In here it is made of wines, pale ales, beers, very cool beers here, Carrick beer. There's some road closure happening here, which has never happened, but yeah, sure. And the Dunn's bars, this is a really cool bar, and it has such an amazing beer garden as well at the back, but now everything is closed due to the COVID-19, obviously. This is Bush Hotel. It's very old hotel, and it's in the middle of the Carrick on Shannon city center, and it's so lovely. Look at it. Wow. So much flowers. I never seen so many flowers in here. No way, it looks amazing. This is a cool thing is here, free small library where you can find some books and look some CDs. Last night me and my friend went for a walk and I took few really cool books. I will show you later, but yeah, these CDs are new. They wasn't there. Lola! And this is my dear Lola. Lola! Come, Lola, how are you? My old girlfriend, Lola. Lola, Lola. And these are cool bug hotels. This is the famous Oarsman River where I was telling you about. Look at this. It's made from the cups, plastic cups. Gings, it's one of the literally the best pubs in Ireland with the lovely beer garden, as you can see a little bit here, which was nominated a few years ago. And it's really cool inside, and it's even cooler outside, as you see. It's beside the Shannon River. You must visit, with an amazing view, and it serves the best Guinness pint. What you doing, Lucas? What you playing?
Hi guys, it's Lucas and I'm playing Minecraft.
Minecraft. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's a very good game that I made up. So I made a mansion.
Cool.
What are you doing with that?
Lucas, where we going?
We're going to Forest Park today.
Cool. You look forward to?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of walking, yeah?
Yeah, totally agree.
Yeah.
Hello guys, it's Lucas and welcome to Lough Forest Park. Subscribe to Justina's channel, DIY Natural Skincare.